Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change black text to white text in Photoshop for two way. Step 1, see this text. Step 1, select text layer, go to effects, color overlay and click color palette, select white. Okay, and step 2, see this image. Okay, then select quick selection tool, magic wand tool, click the icon and select text color. Okay, then Ctrl J, hold Ctrl J and go to effects, apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.